Imagine waking up one day, knowing you no longer have to trade your time for money. No alarm clocks dictating your schedule, no boss micromanaging your every move. Instead, you wake up to the freedom to spend your time how you choose, while your bank account grows on autopilot. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you this could be your reality? That's the promise Brennan Schlagbaum delivers in his game-changing book, The Roadmap to Financial Freedom, a millionaire's guide to building automated wealth. Let's dive into the Millionaire's playbook for transforming your financial future. Before Brennan Schlagbaum became the household name in personal finance, he was just like many of us, stuck in the 9-to-5 grind, barely making ends meet despite working hard. Frustrated by the cycle of paycheck-to-paycheck living, Brennan dedicated himself to cracking the code of financial independence. This book isn't just theory. It's a blueprint grounded in his personal journey to financial freedom. His roadmap blends strategy, mindset, and practical tools for anyone ready to take control of their financial destiny. Whether you're deep in debt or simply want to optimize your wealth, this guide has something for you. Chapter 1. The Foundation of Financial Freedom. Brennan starts by debunking a common myth, that financial freedom is reserved for the wealthy or lucky. He argues it's accessible to anyone with the right mindset and habits. The first chapter lays the groundwork with the concept of financial clarity. You can't achieve wealth if you don't understand where you are financially. Brennan encourages readers to conduct a money audit to assess income, expenses, debt, and savings. This honest snapshot of your financial health acts as your GPS for the journey ahead. One story he shares is about a single mother who turned her finances around simply by tracking every dollar. A small but transformative act. Chapter 2. The Millionaire Mindset. The second chapter dives into the psychology of wealth. Brennan emphasizes that your mindset determines your financial success more than your circumstances. He explains how limiting beliefs like, "I'll always be in debt," or "money is the root of all evil" can sabotage your progress. Using stories from his own life and coaching sessions, Brennan shares actionable ways to reframe your beliefs. For instance, instead of seeing money as scarce, view it as a tool that grows when used wisely. He also introduces the concept of wealth affirmations to reprogram your subconscious mind. Chapter 3. Crushing debt and building a strong financial base. In this pivotal chapter, Brennan tackles the elephant in the room, debt. He outlines a simple yet powerful strategy called the debt snowball method. By focusing on paying off the smallest debt first, you build momentum and confidence to tackle larger debts. Brennan's storytelling shines here, as he recounts how one couple eradicated $80,000 in debt in under 2 years using his techniques. Once you've crushed debt, the focus shifts to building a solid emergency fund, a safety net that protects you from life's inevitable curveballs. Chapter 4. The Art of Automation. Automation is the secret sauce of Brennan's wealth-building strategy. He shows readers how to set up systems where savings, investments, and bill payments happen without constant effort. The less you have to think about managing money, the more you can focus on growing it. Brennan compares automation to planting a garden. Once the seeds are sown and the irrigation system is set up, you can sit back and let the garden flourish. He walks you through automating savings accounts, retirement contributions, and even debt repayments. Chapter 5. Earning more without working more. Here, Brennan shifts gears to income growth. He introduces the concept of leverage, where you use existing resources to multiply your earning potential. This chapter is packed with ideas for side hustles, passive income streams, and scalable businesses. One standout story is about a teacher who turned her lesson plans into an online course, earning 5 figures annually with minimal upkeep. Brennan emphasizes that creating automated income streams is the fastest way to achieve financial independence. Chapter 6. Investing for Freedom. No financial freedom roadmap would be complete without a deep dive into investing. Brennan simplifies the often intimidating world of stocks, real estate, and index funds. His philosophy is clear. You don't need to be a Wall Street expert to invest wisely. He introduces the Lazy Portfolio, a mix of diversified, low-cost index funds designed to grow steadily over time. Brennan also touches on real estate as a powerful wealth-building tool, sharing how he acquired rental properties that now generate passive income. Chapter 7. Protecting and growing your wealth. Once you've built wealth, the next challenge is protecting it. Brennan discusses the importance of insurance, estate planning, and risk management. He shares an anecdote about a family who lost everything due to inadequate insurance, driving home the importance of safeguarding your assets. This chapter also highlights the value of continuous education. Brennan encourages readers to stay curious, attend seminars, and network with other financially savvy individuals to keep their strategy sharp. Chapter 8. Living Your Best Life. The final chapter is all about enjoying the fruits of your labor. Brennan argues that financial freedom isn't just about money. It's about creating a life you love. He encourages readers to define their why, the deeper purpose driving their financial goals. Through heartfelt stories, Brennan illustrates how achieving financial independence allowed people to travel the world, spend more time with family, or start passion projects. He reminds readers that the ultimate goal is to live intentionally and generously. And there you have it, the roadmap to financial freedom. A Millionaire's Guide to Building Automated Wealth by Brennan Schlagbaum. This isn't just a book. It's a transformative guide to reclaiming your time, energy, and financial destiny. Whether you're drowning in debt or looking to optimize your wealth, Brennan's strategies can help you build a life of abundance and freedom. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video so we can spread the message of financial empowerment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.